Hey y'all, today's look is butterfly locks. To see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So I used freetress braid in the curl pattern waterwave, and it was 22 inches. The first step is to take a piece of the curl, one strand of hair, and just fluff it out. Use your finger and run through it so that it can have some texture, just as you see me doing. So for one lock, I'm going to put two pieces together and take my crochet needle, put it right through the braid. I forgot to mention that the braid is the base for this style, so put it right through the braid. And for wrapping, you're gonna start the beginning wrapping very tightly because this hair is very slippery. You don't want it to slip out, so wrap very tightly in the roots. Then I'm gonna use my thumb to kind of wrap over, like, I don't know how to explain it. I think y'all can see what I'm doing. Use your thumb to kind of create bumps in the hair so that it can look rough, rather than just wrapping down like we did in the beginning. So when you reach the end of the lock, you kind of just want to flip it over. I'm gonna freeze it so you can see. Just use your finger to hold it. Flip it over and just start wrapping right back to the top. And just like that, one lock is completed. I think this style is very easy. I think that if you could just get the bases down, you'll be good to go. Just try to practice on like a mannequin head, your little sister, your little cousin, somebody, your mom, your auntie. Just practice, because practice does make perfect. Yeah, but as far as this style, I think personally that it's easy and that you can get it down by just watching me and just repeating what I'm doing. And one more thing, literally don't overthink this style. It's supposed to look distressed. It's supposed to look messy. So if you do one and you're like, it doesn't look so good, you just keep going. Like, it's not supposed to look like faux locks. It's supposed to have its own texture to it. So don't be afraid to try and just play around with it and see what works for you. thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you can see when I post new videos. And also you can comment below what style you want me to do next, and I'll see you in my next video.